Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to enable the fingerprint lock feature on WhatsApp. This feature ensures your chats remain private and secure, accessible only with your fingerprint. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Once inside, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots. Tap on them. This will open a drop-down menu where you'll need to select Settings. Now that you're in the Settings menu, tap on Privacy. This is where you can control various privacy features for your account. Scroll down until you find an option called App Lock and tap on it. Next, you'll see a toggle labeled Unlock with Biometric. Turn this toggle on to activate the fingerprint lock feature. At this point, WhatsApp will prompt you to confirm your fingerprint. Simply place your registered finger on your device's fingerprint scanner. Once your fingerprint is verified, you'll be presented with an option to choose how quickly WhatsApp should lock after being closed. Select Immediately for maximum security. This means every time you exit WhatsApp, it will require your fingerprint to reopen. And that's it. You've successfully enabled fingerprint lock on WhatsApp. From now on, only you can access your chats using your fingerprint. Thank you for watching. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and share it with others who might find it useful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.